So here's the new Beehive. Assisted living Lehi. Grandpa's new pad. Gonna go visit Grandpa. See how he's doing. Clean that windshield for you, honey. Remember, guys, your guests. I told the crew chief not to break that. How do you do that? I know. Okay, let me go see what he's doing. He's probably sleeping. Stay out of his room. Jeez, he's asleep. Look at him. Let's go sit down. You like your big bathroom? You don't like your big bathroom? I'm filming you. If you want to say hi to Billy or Carolyn or anybody. Want to say hi to anybody on the videotape?
Yeah.
What do you want to say hi to?
I care.
What about Billy?
Billy, where are you?
Billy's in Washington. How you feeling?
I feel good.
Okay, you want to go out and see what's going on?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Show me around.
Do I need a coat or anything?
No, everything's heated.
Oh, okay.
Show me around your place. Hey, take some of this hand sanitizer down here. There they are. Show me the place. Show me your new house. Now leave that door open. It'll be fine.
How are you, Patty?
Good, how are you?
Show me your new place. Give me the big tour. Uh-oh. That's twice.
Oh, that's what I need.
Huh?
We just built this or what?
Let's go. Show me. He doesn't have any soap in his bathroom.
My tummy hurts.
I know, buddy. Quit running. Will you help him with some sanitizer? Show me around your new place. Is this where you do? Is this your office? Is that is that your office desk right there, where you do your thinking? Is that where you do your thinking?
I guess.
What do you think about? What do you think about when you're thinking at the table?
How much money we're making?
How much are you making?
Not very much.
Did you build that cabinet?
No, I don't know who did that.
Did they do a good job on it?
Looks like it.
What kind of wood is that?
It looks like pine.
Like what? Pine? Yeah, I think you're right. Let's look out your view out your window. Got a park right across the street. We can come play in. There's a porta potty in case you can't make it back. There's a playground.
Well, oh yeah, there was that playground.
Yeah, there it is.
I saw it one time.
Would you get your feet off the couch, please?
I saw it one time.
All right
You
then.
were at me.
Is this your fireplace? Ooh, it puts out heat. What are you doing? What were you doing? Oh, showing that grandpa love. Here, let me see that face. Let me show me that face again that you just did to your granddaughter. Do it again. Yeah, do you think that's going to scare her?
Yeah,
Chief, you look tired. Are you all right?
yeah, I'm not tired.
You look like you don't feel good.
I feel fine, but I'm mixed up.
What are you mixed up about? Let me straighten you out. What do you want to know?
Are we gonna eat breakfast?
You're going to have dinner pretty soon. They're making it. I can see it over there.
Oh, yeah.
You just woke up from a nap. It's almost 5 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, wow.
What'd you do today?
I don't know.
Took a nap, huh? All right. There's a nice TV. We should take that TV and put it in your room. Big bad boy. All right, Chief. Kitchen area. Looks like they're gonna have some pulled pork sandwiches or something like that. 3 fridges.
Oh, I know.